Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, here we heard Silk Boss. Facts. Silk Boss drop a song at this Joshy. I see him post it on him Instagram a couple of hours ago. Now the song up on YouTube. So me say, yo, I'm gonna react to this because I want to know what I want. If I see the war start, I want to know. I think this is coming from the song where Joshy and Mayan do a collab, and in another collab, Mayan say, "Our fuck no lame like Silk Boss and Brie," pertaining to one sex tape with the drop with Silk Boss and Brie. So this is the cover art for the song. This is how it looks. With one fat like a Joshy head and one panty over Joshy head. So Silk Boss, you say facts, more your facts. Want your facts? Nice up the summer. Make the summer nice. Don't make the cover art better than the song in G. We don't want that, you know. We want bad song, bad lyrics. We know you're a bad artist, you have bad lyrics. We know that. So make a jump in this and see what you're dealing with.
Darkness like when I turn them down.
I drink the minty, nearly done. I'm here for the fucking.
And a big fat boy, my man, and stop pressing her pussy in him for it. To the youth and darkness dark, ice on the ground. Tell them man up. Yes man, what do them little boy? Rifle bound them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yard, me no stop from breezy like my kill him auntie and him father dog. What do them little boy? Run up. Yo golf, what do them little boy? Rifle blaze them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yard, kill auntie, uncle and him father. Me no stop from breezy like my head up me like a guava. Me see the fool them attack, but them not know about. One call by my phone very fast. Brie run the program. Me hear him kiss a freaky gal, we up a Oakland. In at the back of me car, she give me blow job.
Hold on. Listen while I pause this. Wait, listen what I'm saying.
See the fool them attack, but them not know about. One call by my phone very fast. Brie run the program. Me hear him kiss a freaky gal, we up a Oakland.
I'm being honest right now. May I be fucking honest right now. The song name Facts, and you say you hear say him kiss a freaky girl up at Oakland. That's not facts. You're here. That is not facts, brother. That is not facts. I'm here for the fuckery. Cause if Joshy answer, brother, it not gonna nice, you know. Remember say I did a Bill Joshy in a brother. Remember say Joshy a fall from unruly crash days in the dark. So you hear say can't go court, brother, and no facts that G. Wrong bang this of you.
One call by my phone very fast. Brie run the program. Me hear him kiss a freaky gal, we up a Oakland. In at the back of me car, she give me blow job.
That was the only part me can say yeah. Alright then. That is a facts where him can say yeah. Better him this say me know say kiss the freaky girl up or me see I kiss the freaky girl up at Oakland. Better that will sound more factual to me than to hear something, cause the man can't tell say hear something and then
it's a freaky gal, we up a Oakland. In at the back of me car, she give me blow job. Me I bring here with round 4 pan. Ends up for dirty like doormat. It done box your grand spender, you know that. So you come and attack when you a poser. No?
Dan box your grand spend, me G. Joshy, Dan box your grand spend. Okay. I don't know about that. Oh, okay.
It done box your grand spender, you know that. So you come and attack when you a poser. No? They man want do that little boy. Rifle bound them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yard, me no stop from breezy like my kill him auntie and him father dog. What do them little boy? Run up. Satan what do that little boy? Rifle blaze them up like say a 10 destroyer. Run over him yard, kill auntie, uncle and him father. Me no stop from breezy like my head up. Me say like them a idiot. Little boy go buy a meter. If you want try keep up with a speeder. Run down pan the men's Air Force white like say a Jesus. And bossy G6 visa. Cap a shot a bunny one no fever. Mara that a fly in a the treetop. All big fire Joshy way a bite pankisha. Tell him a bad man procedure. Me no make talk pan the media.
Oh God, you're going to Joshy. You said Joshy fired big. Okay. Him said Joshy figure buy a meter if he want to keep up with that speed. Also, don't think me not hearing about me. Listen for the facts. Cause the song name Facts, right? We know Joshy a bad artist and we know Silk a bad artist, right? For me, let me just say this from now. For me hear the first verse and the second verse already. For me, song want more energy, dog. Me know if I bait Joshy fi answer or Joshy been troubling you. Joshy been troubling you. Joshy been doing what I do, brother. Joshy and Mayana perform and when it comes to the landing of the song, Joshy get louder and emphasize on a part. So we know Joshy have been troubling you, brother. We know say Joshy there for the fuck it too. We know that. So Joshy not gonna pass the opportunity to make a dopey in a dancehall officially. So me not say I'm gonna make a dopey because I say two bad artists, but still Bass your song need more energy. Like St. James full of armor. Dopey must give full of banana. Saturday with you remember the song that we sing name armor? That energy that we want back of that one, brother, because remember say this is the first step you step out, so it have to be something I say, yo, Josh have to say, bumbo clot, what me get myself in that? Me not get it from that song, yeah. Me be honest, me not getting it from this song, bro.
Mara that a flying at the treetop. All big fire Joshy way a bite pan Keisha. Tell him a bad man procedure. Me no make talk pan the media. Tell them me no. Go side what do them little boy. Right for burn them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yada. Me no stop from breezy I'ma kill him auntie and him father dog. What do them little boy? Run up. Tell him man what do them little boy. Right for blaze them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yard, kill auntie, uncle and him father. Me no stop from breezy low. So how your friend a fuck your baby mother? Who a boot up this a father? I 10 destroyer. Run over him yard, kill auntie, uncle and him father. Me no stop from breezy low. So how your friend a fuck your baby mother? Who a boot up this a father? K-clip long like ladder. Neymar skill but Messi kick bama. Full with lyrics and style them proper. Yeah. Run up on the men's on a tree. All of them boy they are coming. Big fire Josh we a bite pan body. You know see that boy a stocky. The girl them say I have a dead cocky. Nobody think me sit down and planning. Real gangster no walk with a chick.
Brother, you disappoint me this a while ago, bro. So how your friend a fuck you, we me mad at me check say you're going at some facts you know, brother. Me check say then you gone back on the same dull thing, brother. Like the factual shit, dog. And you call the song brother, we want the factual shit, bro. You call the song facts, brother. But me think after the man said, yeah, your friend a fuck you. Or your hype on your friend a fuck you, baby mother. Me say yes, see Silk Boss no. Cause me know Silk Boss have the energy in the brother. Where the energy there? Wait there. Bro. You can't shoot off a Joshy with this, bro. Yeah.
You know see that boy a stocky. The girl them say I have a dead cocky. Nobody think me sit down and planning. Real gangster no walk with a chick. Just tell them do them little boy. Rifle burn them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yard kill auntie, uncle and him father. Just tell them them little boy. Them little boy.
Yo, alright, hold on. Let me change the scene and talk to you, brother. Yo, that song here for me, I give it 6 out of 10. I go tell you why. The ice fans and the Silk Boss fan them. I go tell you why. And hear me out. I give Silk Boss a 6 out of 10 because the song wanted more energy for me. Me want more energy. Me don't care who in the comment section want disagree now. I'm giving you my opinion. See? The song needed more energy for me, dog. The song full of lyrics, you know? The song full of lyrics, brother. But nothing factual, brother. We need facts. That is the reason why I make you 6 out of 10, brother. More Joshy answer tomorrow morning, you know, brother. Like, more Joshy answer already, in the dog. More Joshy answer from last night, in the dog. You see me? Honestly, I do stand mutual in another one. Yeah. Me mutual in another one. Yeah. You can't be a reactor or a content creator and biased. You can't pick a side. You have to be mutual with the thing, brother. Lyrics, brother. Me talk facts over here, so. Lyrics. Me know about music, brother. The bite pan batty and the suck pussy and the panty you have, we see that already. Remember say we see, Chronic Law and Jamila war, and one of them put panty over one of them head. I think Jamil make a thumbnail with make a cover art with the panty over Chronic Law head. So we see them thing they are ready, brother. We hear man sing song about other man bite pan girl batty and them thing. We don't hear them thing, brother. This is two young fresh artists in a dancehall. We want a fresh new style, brother. We want a fresh new style, Silk. So if Joshy answer one time, you go counteract now. The need for forward harder than this, brother. Me understand say it go hard to be a first fire because you don't have nothing to counteract, but you say you go talk facts. You say your ear say him a kiss girl upper Oak, freaky girl upper Oakland, and you know say the Dana a grand spend box him. If I saw. Me don't know, cause that's enough facts. That's enough. Better you didn't name the song Run Up, me G. Better you didn't name this song Run Up. These two artists are very versatile. So may I hear where Joshy forward with you see me? Silk, big up yourself, G. Now style a song, but me I give 6 out of 10 for that reason. Me not hear no facts and me not hear the energy when me know you have from the armor. You remember armor? St. James full of armor. Dirty monkey get couple iron banana. Shotty pebble no further than the kid seeds and the guava. Me go link up Java. Yeah, that song there full of energy. That energy they want in that cash, brother. Don't fall come make yourself look soft, bro. Like look lame, bro. Like come on, G. Like we need the energy, bro. We need the energy, fam. So big up all of the Silk Boss fam them, brother. Finally we have this clash in the dancehall. Make we see what go on. Hope it's a long clash. So this is how I'm gonna leave the one until Joshua responds. So I'll see you guys in the next one.